Welcome to back online classes. Myself, Mr. Bausaib Dabade, your geography teacher. Dear student, second term geography, chapter number 4, agriculture. First, we discuss introduction part. Agriculture is the science or art of cultivating the soil, growing and harvesting crops, and raising livestock. Agriculture is a primary activity. As far as concerned in India, there are 60% people depend on agriculture and the related business like the animal rearing, hunting, gathering, fish industry, milk industry, poultry industry. These are the other related business in agriculture area. Over all the India, most of the people depend in agriculture. Importance of agriculture. Basic needs. Agriculture is the most basic from human activity to provide food, vegetables, fruits, etc. Second number, raw material. A large variety of agro-based industry like cotton, jute, sugar, mills depend upon agriculture for their raw materials. Third number, employments. Agriculture provides employment to a large number of skilled as well as unskilled workers. About 50% of the world population is engaged in agriculture. Over all the world, there are 50% people engaged in agriculture. Very high percentage of people of underdeveloped countries is engaged in agriculture, whereas in developed countries less percentage of workers are engaged in agriculture. Developed and undeveloped countries, there is a difference between engaged people. Types of farming. Farming is practiced in various ways across the world depending upon the geographical conditions, demand of product, labor, and level of technology. Farming can be classified into two main types. These are subsistence farming and commercial farming. So the types of agriculture, first number, subsistence agriculture. Subsistence agriculture is that type of agriculture in which the crop grown or the consumed by the farmer and his family. The main motive of the farmers is to satisfy the needs of his family. A greater part of the land is used for growing food crop. The farmer normally has no surplus space. Subsistence agriculture is generally of two types: intensive subsistence and the primitive subsistence, shifting cultivation, nomadic harvesting. These are the important types. Nomadic herding means intensive subsistence. Under the intensive agriculture, high yield is obtained by the applying higher and modern inputs like fertilizer, pesticides, high yielding varieties of seeds. Crops are grown on the small areas. Shifting cultivation. Under the shifting cultivation, small piece of forest is cleared by the felling the trees, cutting the bush and grows, and the clear land is then used for the agriculture. The crops are grown for a few years and then the cultivation shift to a new site. This type of agriculture is practiced mostly by the people living in the tropical forest. These are the areas of heavy rainfall and the quick regeneration of vegetation. Septic cultivation is known by the different names in different areas. It is known as zooming farming in India. Next, the intensive farming. Intensive farming means under the agriculture used by the chemical fertilizer, pesticide, and the high variety of seeds. These agriculture is developed in the tropical region Wheat, rice, maize, these crops are the most important in intensive agriculture. This type of agriculture is carried on mostly in monsoon lands of Asia, including India, China, Japan, Bangladesh, and Malaysia. This intensive agriculture is most famous. Next, commercial agriculture. Under the commercial agriculture, farming grows crop to sell in the market. Next, extensive farming, extensive agriculture. These types of agriculture is practiced in the mid-latitude grassland. In the interior of the continent, it is done on large scale and most of the activities are carried out of the help of modern machinery. Remaining part of this chapter we will continue in next online lecture. Thank you.